how to connect the garage door with your car, and normally with the Craftsman garage door remote. This is the Craftsman. So whenever like you want to connect your garage remote door with your car, you don't need the remote for it. So you have to press 1 and 3. Press 3 and 1 until that it's blinking. It's take up 10 to 15 seconds. It's blinking, and when it's done, you have to press one of the keys at the same time. Press this one and one key. Whenever like it's blinking like this, right now it is done, and you open your garage door without need to remote. Right now you can see whenever like you press this one, you don't need your remote, it will be open automatically.